To link up your GPServ account with Billink, let's first go to the GPServ site and log in. Once inside, you'll need to click on the Account option on the upper right-hand side of the page. When the account page opens up, scroll down until you see a table called API Token. You should see two buttons at the bottom here, one for Copy and one for Create API Token. An API token is essentially a very long password that we use to allow one system talk to another. Remember to always keep this code private. Let's create the token by clicking on the Create API Token button and then selecting OK. Great. Now your token has been created and you can hopefully see it there slightly grayed out in the middle of your screen. Now let's copy it by clicking on the Copy button. Now that it's copied, let's go back to Billink and save this in your settings. In Billink, click on the Settings tab and then on BillinkServ. You'll see an option here to add private key up on the top right, so go ahead and click this button. In the pop-up that appears, right-click inside the box to paste in your private key that you copied earlier. Once you've pasted it in, click Save. Now that your private key is saved, we now need to tell Billink which panel numbers to associate and link with this private key. You can save one or several here. For this demonstration, we'll add the panel number 53219 belonging to Dr. Billink to this private key. When you're all set, hit Add, and that's it. You will now be able to send claims through on this account for panel number 53219. Congrats! You've linked your GPServ and Billink accounts. You now have access to all of our BillinkServ features. If you have any questions or need any help, please reach out to contact@billingsupport.com. Thank you for watching the Billink team.